degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Gainesville, it was sunny, 55 degrees, wind west at 10 miles an hour. Macon, it was sunny, 57 degrees, wind west at 7 miles an hour. Columbus, it was mostly sunny, 55 degrees, wind calm. Birmingham, it was partly sunny, 54 degrees, wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. Rome, it was sunny, 56 degrees, wind west at 8 miles an hour. Chattanooga, it was mostly sunny, 57 degrees, wind southwest at 7 miles an hour. Asheville, it was sunny, 54 degrees, wind north at 9 miles an hour. Augusta, it was sunny, 60 degrees, wind northwest at 10 miles an hour. St. Simon's Island, it was sunny, 61 degrees, wind west at 10 miles an hour. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Light west winds. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. East winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs around 60. Lows in the lower 50s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast.